Hi there, and welcome to this episode of Consciousness Empowerment. Here, talk about consciousness, the law of attraction, and how to reach your fucking dreams. Today, I'm going to talk about a very simple sentence in, again, the feeling is a secret. It is so fucking profound, that book. If you're here, you want to get better. We're trying to manifest. And we've been manifesting our entire life. There's just certain actions, certain principles that we have control over in the manifestation process that we need to master, okay? So don't worry if you're feeling fucked up because you haven't manifested the money, you haven't manifested the body, your health. It's gonna take time, you know. When I was in prison, so if you're new here, I like to share this story because of those who are new. I'm constantly getting new subscribers. So welcome to the community. And I commend you for going after your fucking dreams. It takes a lot of fucking guts and a lot of balls. Okay? When I was in prison, I had 2 fucking years to visualize and dream of the place that I wanted it to be. The good thing about being locked up is you have no choice. You can't leave. Like this is my studio, I don't have no fucking choice. If this was a cell, I have no fucking choice of leaving. I can get out. I can step out if I want. That's the thing about when you're not locked up. You have jobs. You have things to do. You go around. Especially if you live with people, then they're moving your focus somewhere else. So it's a little more challenging for you to manifest. So in a cell, I just see a grade 30 cell for 2 years. I'm not gonna be fucking complaining and like whining like a little bitch because that's not how you do time. And that's not how you do life either. We're all doing time on planet Earth. Eventually we're gonna be able to fly to Mars and the moon. Or we could already fly to space, but we're all gonna be doing that. It's gonna be like a normal occurrence for all of us. But I digress. What I'm trying to say is, because I was in a bad situation, I'm gonna focus on the good. Such a fucking bad place that I'm gonna focus on the good. That I'm grateful to be alive. That I'm grateful that I have friends, my homies on the yard, and that, you gravitate to your vibration. So I wanted to be in a good vibration. I started to become more spiritual there. I began to pray at night, and it became a habit. I still do that tonight, every single night I still do it, The Our Father prayer, give great gratitude for the day and a few other things now, and start visualizing the things that I want. So that's how it's easier for people who are incarcerated to manifest, because they have years behind bars. But if they're visualizing the thing that they need to visualize, then they'll visualize it. So I'm gonna go over this sentence, okay, that really resonated. And this isn't the same page in the last couple of videos. It's the same page. I'm just going down to the next sentences, okay. Quote, the subconscious never fails to express that which has been impressed upon it. Again, the subconscious never fails to express that which let me do it again. The subconscious never fails to express that which has been impressed upon it. So your subconscious mind is not going to fail. You're not going to fail. You will have that which you are visualizing in your imagination and feeling to be true. You will. Do not doubt this. If you don't have the belief, keep on watching these videos or another source, ebook, audiobook, video that helps you believe. Okay? I was able to read the New Testament. I read the Old Testament, the Torah, which is the Jewish Bible as well, like a few parts to it, and then I read the full New Testament, and then I read it like another half. But then after that, I was just already kind of bored because I kind of like understood it already. But I still read Neville Goddard and things like that. It's still the same stuff. And it gave me the belief. Here it says you are God. In the Bible it says, I am Jesus, right? Christ, you can do the things that I do. Okay, with faith, you can do anything. All things are possible. Have faith in God and all things are possible. Have faith in you can move mountains. Have faith as small as a mustard seed and you will manifest. You will have what you desire. Ask, believe, receive. Ask, believing that you receive, you will receive. So it says it over and over and over again. So if you read the entire Bible, you get impressed with the belief in God and that God will give you what you want. Okay, so I was fortunate to be locked up and have that instilled in me. Before that, I wasn't practicing because I was choosing to do bad consciously. Your conscience knows what's morally right and what's morally wrong. Lying is wrong. Stealing from others is wrong. Your conscious mind, you're the same consciousness as me. You're the same I am. It's going to tell you that's not right. But when you tell somebody, hey, that's beautiful hair. Oh, you have a nice shirt. You feel good or they feel good. You know it's good. When you build somebody up, when you help somebody grow, caring for your pet, doing something good, helping life, giving to a nonprofit or maybe starting your own nonprofit that helps others. You know it's good. It's not that fucking hard. Listen to your heart. Okay? So now going to manifesting. Going back to manifesting. You will not fail. So let's go over some of these principles, right? Let's visualize it and feel it to be true. That's all you have to do. That's all you have to fucking do, because over time, as you keep feeling it to be true, right? When I was in prison, I was looking at myself in that college and I would see a great blue sky, the sun hitting me, the yellow sun hitting my skin so I can see everything, the warmness of the sun, and I'm walking and I'm happy and I know that I'm doing fucking good. Because why am I going to be on the campus and think, oh, I'm failing? No, I don't want to feel bad. I'm already feeling bad, So in my imagination, I'm feeling good. So that's why I succeeded, okay? And I've always reflected on, why did I succeed? I'm like, damn, I didn't even have a high school education. And how come all the money came to me? Like, I was able to live in the dorms and all this stuff. That's because I impressed my subconscious mind. And as I was studying how successful people and people who succeed think, they all talk about visualization or positive affirmation. So I was feeling it to be true. You have to feel it to be true. Okay, that's your only job. Visualize it and feel it to be true. And then comes the action. Okay, I'm actually doing a review on this book. Actually 2 books. So make sure to subscribe and so you'll get those reviews. It'll be more about wisdom of nature, of how the wisdom we get from nature. Because as above, so below. It'll be the same. There's similar principles, and there's one called a 12-week year. So it's about action. But they also talk about having your intention, setting your intention out there, your vision, so your actions and the universe will come to you. Okay? It literally comes to you because you'll get hunches and you don't have a choice. If you've been visualizing something, your body will move towards it. Or things will come to you. But the thing that I want to share with you at the end of this video right here, right now, is let the universe do the work. Set your intention. Okay? You do that by knowing what you want, visualizing. When you have a goal, there's an image towards it. You can't just say, like, I want health. What does health fucking look like to you? Ribs, 6-pack muscles. And being happy and being healthy, right? That's my vision. So you need to have a vision, right? See yourself. And then once you do it over and over again, over again and over again, and you have this knowledge, you have this belief, right? It'll come. It'll all come to you. You start taking the action easily and flow. Or you won't have to do shit. You might just find a book on the floor, or you're walking past somebody and then and there's like, hey, personal training, or you find a personal trainer on Instagram and then they're like, hey, you want to get in shape? I can do XYZ, and XYZ is what you want. So you hire the person, or you read the book. Take your time, take a few days, read the book, and then you get the information. That's just an example of how it works. So here's 4 principles that we together, because I'm helping you, I'm sharing what I know, so we're doing this together. Set the intention, visualize it, feel it to be true, believe it, that you're manifesting it, then it's already done. It's already done in your mind. So believe it's gonna happen. Belief, faith, okay? The same thing. And then this one is gonna be like, let the universe do it for you. Let go. Let the universe take care of it. Okay? Let go. And when you do that, it's also being patient. Okay? Being patient. When you plant a seed, just like you plant in your mind the idea, it'll grow. Be patient. It'll grow. Just assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled, like Neville Goddard says, or how I like to say it, just feel it to be true. Feel it to be true in imagination. Feel it to be true. Experience it in your imagination. Bam. It might take a few days. It might take a couple of years. Be patient. I love you. Till next time. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if this is helping you, share it with somebody that you love. Share it with somebody. Till next time. Peace. I love you.